Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in into Ideogram using your email. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Ideogram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app. Then on your screen, you can see options like continue with Apple, continue with Google, terms of service and privacy policy. Go ahead and tap on continue with Google and select continue again. Now from the accounts, you're gonna have to choose an account to log in with. Make sure you choose the Google account that you've signed up with previously, then tap on continue again. And guys, that's it. That's how you log in into Ideogram app with an email. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.